Furnulem sent me their 3-drawer, 2-tier dresser, so let's check it out. Alright, so inside we're gonna get the user manual, and so here's all the pieces it comes with. Alright, so the first thing we're starting with is gonna be the frame, so we're gonna be using these 2 pieces, and using these metal clips, they just go right inside, and this allows us to screw these small screws in baggie A, right over here, and then same thing on this other side, and now this can be put right inside here, and then once again screw in the sides, and now everything can be tightened. And now the last thing I do would be to attach these to the feet. And there it is, and now we can do the same thing again. And now we have both of ours ready to start building everything else. Alright, so now it's time to add a frame to the bottom, and we're going to be using these long ones labeled K, and they're going to go right over here. And we're going to be using the longer D screws. And here's what we have so far. Now it's time to attach these 2 pieces together right here, and we're going to be using these long C screws. Just like that, and now this can be screwed in right over here. Now it's time to screw in this part right on top, and since we're going to be screwing in from underneath, it might just be easier to flip everything upside down, and then screw everything in using these D screws. Alright, and there, we're almost done. Now the last thing to do is just to build the drawers and place them in here. And now the handle can be placed right here, and then we're going to put this screw through it and then tighten it with the bolt on the other side. There, and do the same thing with the other 2. And now these can be placed right inside here. So here's the finished dresser. It didn't take too long building it, and it matches pretty well with this room because I already have brown right over here with this other dresser, and then brown on this small tiny nightstand dresser. So the reason I like this one is because it is going to have 2 tiers, and I actually already have another one of these. I have a 5-1 downstairs, so now I can actually keep this one up here in my room. And because I'm using this one right underneath my staining desk, this one won't really fit under here, or it'll actually barely fit. So I'm actually going to end up putting this somewhere else, probably in that corner over there. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with this. Again, it's the same thing I have downstairs, except this one's just going to be a little bit shorter, a little bit smaller, and this can even serve as a nightstand. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Furnulem dresser.